meaning pockmarked grandma's tofu. This dish is a great example of the mala or numbing and spicy flavor profile that Sichuanese food is famed for. This cuisine is bold, spicy, aromatic, and full of umami. Just make sure to have plenty of rice to soak up all that flavor. I'm so excited to eat this. We've got the Mapo Tofu right here in front of me. It was sizzling away, but I've also ordered a couple more emblematic dishes from Sichuanese cuisine. Here we've got the very strangely named husband and wife lungs. It's a cold dish. We've got kung pao chicken here and twice cooked pork. So the story goes that back in 1862, there was a lady whose surname was Chen, and she had a pockmarked face, and she had a restaurant, but her tofu was absolutely stellar, and eventually over time the restaurant became known for its tofu, hence the name of Mapo Tofu. So these days everybody knows how to make Mapo Tofu and they all have different recipes, but I've come to a restaurant that is descended from Lady Chen. This is the original family who came up with this recipe. They use beef mince on top. I'm just gonna, oh wow. Oh, that is melt in your mouth good. Wow. You've got to use silken soft tofu for this dish. Very healthy serving of Sichuan peppercorn, which gives you this numbing, tingling sensation in your tongue and basically everywhere it touches in your mouth. All that chili oil can look intimidating, but those who try Sichuanese food quickly fall in love with its addictive combination of flavors. Total price for 4 mains and a rice? Less than $30.